Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how and where you can upload your resume on Indeed. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the Indeed app. After that, you have to click on the three lines at the top of the screen. After that, click on the profile, and you can see that the first step here is to add a resume to Indeed. So you can upload one, or if you have uploaded but you want to have a new one, you have to click on the create a new resume, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.